So, what does the Pike Branch mean for our city and our community?
We are so excited to have this open.
It's just lovely.
It's one of my favorite libraries.
They're going to bring so many new events, and it's just going to be fun.
It is where every story is found.
Our libraries provide our communities with so much more than books.
Having this library in our immediate neighborhood means such a wonderful thing for young children.
It's spacious, it's a lot of light, it's well laid out, and a lot of good things to see and hear and to do.
I love coming down on the summer to do all those summer programs, so I'm really excited to be able to bring my son really close by. We're only like a few blocks away now.
From the youngest pre-readers to those learning a new language, there's something for everyone here at the Indianapolis Public Library.
I'm just excited. I'm excited about all the community connections we're going to make, all the programming we're going to do. Very excited, and I'm looking forward to everything that's coming for Pike.